These are the latest updates that we are getting. As we said, Nitin Gadkari is also leading in Nagpur. Bhupesh Baghel is leading in Rajnandgaon. That's the latest that we are getting. And Navneet Rana is leading in Amravati. Somit is joining us live from the counting center in Hyderabad. Let's go across to Somit. What is the information that you're getting from the Hyderabad constituency? Okay, we'll try and go across to him. In the meanwhile, Abhishek Banerjee leading in Diamond Harbour, Nakul Nath leading in Chhindwara. Well, let's wait.
Most of the exit polls have shown him losing.
The exit polls had said that Nakul Nath and the Kamal Nath bastion will be breached this time. We'll have to wait and watch what's going on.
You know, Ranjit Singh Chautala is a very interesting candidate. He actually switched over to the BJP just before he was fielded. And a lot of feedback that was coming from Hisar is how he was facing a lot of pushback. I know that at least 3 to 4 different cups of Jats in Hisar said, BJP को एक भी वोट नहीं डालना है. So at least the Jats versus Chhattis Biradari sort of a contest had started. So all the Jats ek taraf and the other Biradaris on the other side.
Well, so at the moment, please allow me, because 56 leads have come in, and let me tell you, Karnataka BJP is leading in 1 seat. We'll try and get you which seat is that. BJP is trailing in Shimla. In Noida, Mahesh Sharma is leading. Lucknow, Rajnath Singh, I already said, and Gorakhpur, Ravi Kishan is also leading at this point. These are very early trends that are coming in. Shatrughan Sinha, Asansol, we are being told, is trailing. Anil Baluni leading in Uttarakhand. Mehbooba Mufti is trailing in Anantnag, and Dimple Yadav is leading in Mainpuri. Piyush Goyal leading in North Mumbai. Rahul Gandhi leading, is this the Wayanad seat or the Raebareli seat?
You know, I'll tell you a funny story about Gorakhpur. These are the postal ballots. So Gorakhpur, funny story. Kajal Nishad. First of all, you got a Kajal Nishad versus a Ravi Kishan fight over there. Kajal Nishad is very famous in some soap opera, which I haven't seen, but it's called Lapata Ganj apparently. It's very popular. And Ravi Kishan has just starred in a film called Lapata Ladies. Kajal Nishad started her entire campaign.
Lapata Ladies is already out.
Very nice.
It's a kid.
So it's a film. Ravi Kishan is in it. So you've got Lapata Ganj.
Have all of you seen Mafia Legal?
Okay, before we get into long discussions, let me update you. Kangana Ranaut leading in Mandi, Smriti Irani leading in Amethi, Rahul Gandhi leading in Raebareli. So Rahul Gandhi's lead is coming from Raebareli. So we have leads for 70 seats for the BJP,
Why not
20
Raebareli?
for the India Alliance, and 5 for the others. Even in Wayanad, Rahul Gandhi is said to be leading. So those are the quick updates that we are getting. And let's also look at some others. Shatrughan Sinha trailing in Asansol. And is that expected?
Expected. Asansol will be won by BJP this time.
Ahluwalia, SS Ahluwalia.
He'll be shifted from the northern
Darjeeling.
Darjeeling. He was Darjeeling.
Can you give us a sense, Jai Mrug, on Asansol? What does this mean if the BJP were to take this seat away?
This is, Navika, this is a constituency with a sizable non-Bengali Bihari population also. In fact, it's close to Jharkhand. In fact, one of the original BJP candidates, withdrew his nomination.
Pawan
Singh. He went back to contest as an independent there. But very clearly, if Mr. Sinha is trailing, it means Miss Mamta Banerjee's effort to portray the Trinamool as a national phenomenon, with having Mr. Sinha over there, that doesn't seem to work.
Absolutely. Let me also give you some more updates. Amit Shah leading in Gandhinagar, Akhilesh Yadav leading in Kannauj, Ravi Kishan, as we said, leading from Gorakhpur, Rajiv Pratap Rudi leading in Saran, Atul Garg leading from Ghaziabad. Also, let me give you, Kairana Ikra Hassan is leading as the leads are coming in at this point.